Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make a Instagram reel to sell Temu products. So guys, if you are not an affiliate yet, please click on my link below so you can sign up to become a Temu affiliate now and start earning some money. And now guys, with that said, once you are on Temu, just simply tap on the search bar at the very top and search for affiliate program. And from here, once you are on the affiliate page, just simply tap on the pick items on the bottom right corner of the screen. And over here on the pick items, just simply select the product that you want. And let's say I'm going to go for these headphones over here. So first thing that you will do is simply screen record the product over here. So just simply tap on the product, and from here just simply screen record this video and photos to upload it into your reels. So guys, you can download a screen recorder into your Google Play Store or App Store, or if your phone has a built-in screen recorder, you can just simply record it. And now once you have recorded it, once you have done that, just simply go ahead and tap on the share item on the product that you chose over here. So just simply copy the link over here down below, copy link. So now once you have copied the link, just go to your Instagram application and tap on the create button at the middle down below and go to reel. And now once you are on the reel tab, just simply go for the product that you screen record. So I already have a video over here. And now from here, as you can see, I screen recorded this before I create this video. So guys, from here, just simply add a music that you prefer. And after that, just simply go ahead and add a text as well. And just simply promote your link and paste it over here to promote it. And from here, once you have done that, just simply go ahead and place it wherever you like. And from here, just simply provide some effects on your video down below. You can also add a filters, voiceover, so it will be depending on you. So just simply provide the effects that you prefer. And now just simply tap on next. And from here, guys, on the caption or the description, just simply provide your link again. So make sure to turn this on, share to Facebook. And once you are done, you can just tap on share. And from there, you'll be able to make an Instagram reel to sell Temu products. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.